Officials in the Utah city, where Gabby Petito and Brian Laundrie had a domestic dispute, have been accused of illegally collecting nearly $3,000 in fees for the police bodycam footage of the incident. The Moab Police Department are planning to return the fees collected from media organizations, featuring footage of the officers pulling over Gabby and Brian outside of Arches National Park. The August 12 recordings showed the 22-year-old Gabby holding her neck and explaining to both Moab and park officers that her fiance, Brian, had scratched and grabbed her. The thousands of dollars in fees charged by Moab police for the dissemination of the footage cost 3 times more than what the department had expected to take in for the entire year of fee revenues. Moab Police Department charged 30 entities $98 to provide the footage, totaling $2,940. The law enforcement agency has since agreed to refund the fees, which may have violated Utah law. Like I've said before, nothing seems to surprise me anymore. So many twists and turns in this case.